Hello, welcome to this video of the Peugeot 208 1.6 HDi. It's a turbo diesel 5-speed. This is a 2014 registered vehicle in this lovely metallic, it's like a grey brown colour, chestnutty grey brown metallic, very tidy condition. 2014, that says 1.6 HDi, very clean condition. Tailpipe very clean, bumper immaculate, rear tailgate very clean. This is a lady owner for many years, I think since 2017, something like that, or 16, so many years. Serviced regularly as well. I think it's got a total of 7 service stamps, and we're just doing the timing belt now. After this video it's been straight to the garage, the timing belt kit and the water pump as well, which is not actually due until next year, till April next year. But we're having it done, of course, making it perfect. As you can see, all the alloy wheels are in very tidy condition. It's got 4 Michelin tyres as well. Brake discs are recent, all 4 brake disc and pads are recent. Got these chrome mirror caps, very clean condition, no scratches or scuffs. The windscreen, very good, original Peugeot windscreen there. There's no chips or cracks in that windscreen, which is very good for the mileage. LED lights at the top there, LED. There are the xenon lights there as well, so it's got the xenon lights, LEDs. The front's very tidy. Got the original Evans Hall number plates on as well. That's where she bought the vehicle from, the last current owner. And she had to trade this in against a van, so she bought a van from us because she was doing a bit of travelling and she required a van. It's a very tidy, clean condition. It's got all the it's got the last 2-year service, detailed service reports as well from the garage that looked after it, and everything tallies up. It's got the locking wheel nuts as well, so all 4 tyres are the Michelins. There's no dents or scratches anywhere. Let's look inside the boot. Inside the boot's very clean, doesn't smell of dogs, and doesn't smell of smoke either, so no smoke and no pets. There's a steel spare wheel there, also with a Michelin tyre. It's also the same size, it's a 16-inch. There's a locking wheel nut there as well, and the jack and brace kit and the towing hook, so everything is there. HPI clear, so not being involved in an insurance claim or accident. All tidy up here as well. Around the tailgate shut, it's properly been valeted, and it's all been machine polished as well. So the paintwork's been machine polished, it's very shiny. And let's go to the other side, which is the passenger side. All very clean, nothing to report, all immaculate, even down to the bolster there. The seats, all tidy, no cigarette burns or anything like that. All the carpets are clean. We've ordered a set of brand new car mats as well, so that'll be fitted in this, a brand new set of car mats. Get into the bike there, that's all working condition. That lever works as well, the wire's not broken or snapped. 3 headrests, 3 seat belts, half leather interior, all immaculate. And then let's go to the driver's door. Driver's door all clean, got this high gloss piano black trim, electric windows, electric mirrors as well. All the pedals are nice and clean, the door shuts are immaculate. Driver's seat, very good condition, no wear on the bolster at all. Inside, very clean inside as well. Let's just take a look inside here. So you've got the radio there, you've got the menu, you press that, and you've got all the other features as well, the Bluetooth, the music, the aux input. You've got photo storage if you obviously have a favourite pet or girlfriend or boyfriend or daughter, whatever, you can put your photos to that. You've got the climate control, dual zone, so left and right heater settings as well. Air conditioning works as well, we've tried it, it's ice cold. It's got obviously the USB and aux input and a 12 volt there, a little bit of a coin tray and a bin storage there. 5-speed manual, of course. All down here is clean. drinks holder in the back there as well. Glove box, not very big unfortunately, very small. Airbag on and off there, so you can put the kiddies seat in the front if you wish. Up here you've got the speedo, so 103,989 miles. Quarter tank of fuel as well, all nice and clean. Automatic lights, so that's the automatic lights. And down here, if you can see this, let's go this way, cruise control. So cruise control there, steering wheel, buttons, multifunctional sport steering wheel. It's tiny, this steering wheel, absolutely tiny. It's leather, it's got the buttons and all that there, so everything is in place. And then we've also got the traction control button there, and the that's the eco, it's a stop start on and off button there as well, so that's there as well. And then what else have we got? This high gloss piano black trim all the way over there. Inside we've got the light grey roof lining as well. In here we've got all the documents, the V5, etc. All the old documents, the MOT certificates. Like I say, we're having a new MOT on it, which will be valid until October 2024, although the current one doesn't expire until the 1st of February 2024, sorry. So this is the last year's MOT. So this current one, which isn't here, it's on the computer database. Let's see what else we've got here. So we've got the last service, last MOT, there we go, 18th of the 1st 2023, carried out the MOT, and that was a £314 invoice. And then the one before that, 2022, mileage 81,000 miles, MOT, annual major service, all them items were replaced, and that was 152. Oh wait a minute, no, there's more, it's page 1 of 2, so there's another page of that, so that would be 54 at 290 at 152 plus the VAT as well. So that was about 550. Zero tax, you'd be good to know. Price for tax, 0. And all the rest of the bump there, the documented service history of the earlier services as well. So there's 2 earlier services by the Evans Halshaw main dealer. Okay, now then, switch the engine off. Let's have a look under. Oh wait a minute, let me just reverse the car back a bit because I just had to let somebody out at the car park then. Right, okay, let's look under the that noise is to tell you that I've left the key in the ignition, that's all. So pull the bonnet, it's there, bonnet release. Look under here, very clean. It's a 1.6 HDi engine, which is the 1560cc. This is the same engine used in the Citroens as well, Peugeot Citroen, and it's the Ford engine as well. So this is the Ford turbo diesel engine, it's the identical engine. So all these manufacturers use the same engine, so it's a proven engine, that's why everyone's using it. Everything's nice and tidy here, nothing out of the ordinary, no nuts and bolts missing, etc. All very clean, even has the Bosch wipers, which is a good sign to say whoever's owned it has obviously spent money on the branded wipers, not the cheap replica ones. So those Bosch ones are about £30 a set, but the cheaper ones are £10. Just walk around it once more. If you've got a part exchange, please let us know the mileage and the full registration, and we'll give you a quotation based on today's live auto trader valuations for trading. And this vehicle, being a 2014, still can be financed, so finance is possible. So if you'd like finance, please let us know, and we're here to help. Also, we do home delivery, and best part of everything, this will come with a 1-year warranty. So a 1-year warranty cover this vehicle. So a new timing belt, new service, new MOT, and 1-year warranty. Home delivery available. It's free within 30 miles radius of us. After that, it's just £1.50 per mile, and that'll be delivered on a wagon. So it will be a wagon what delivers it, it wouldn't be driven. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and any more questions, please drop us a line. Thanks for watching.